Hi, I'm Anthony Sorelli, and it's my privilege to introduce tonight's community hero. It's great for kids to play sports, but for some children with special needs, leagues may not be inclusive enough. That's where Russ Oberbreckling has stepped up to the plate. In 2009, Russ launched Buddy Baseball, a recreational baseball league for children with special needs, ages 8 through 22. Each player is paired with a buddy to assist as needed on the field and in the dugout, fostering friendships and breaking down barriers to provide these children the opportunity to play an organized sport in an inclusive, safe, and welcome space. Funds from this grant will enable Buddy Baseball to update their facilities, including the addition of a shaded pavilion. He simply refused to let the fear of striking out hold anyone back. That's why you, Russ, are a hero. Before the game, it was our privilege to present Russ with a $50,000 grant to his designated charity, Buddy Baseball. Please welcome tonight's community hero, Russ Oberbreckling.